There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Muscles actually perform many useful functions and help us in doing everything in our day-to-day life. Muscles are classified by 3 different methods based on different factors. Number 1, depending upon the presence or absence of striations. Number 2 is depending upon the control. And number 3 is depending upon the function or perhaps the situation of the muscle. Now, depending upon the presence or absence of cross striations, the muscles are divided into 2 groups. Number 1 are the striated muscles, and number 2 are the non-striated muscles. Now, for the striated muscles, a large number of cross striations are seen at regular interval under a light microscope. These muscles having the cross striations are actually called the striated muscles. The skeletal muscles and the cardiac muscles belong to this category. For the non-striated muscles, the muscles without cross striations are called non-striated muscles. You can also call it plain muscles or the smooth muscles. Now, depending upon the control, muscles are actually classified as voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Now, for the voluntary muscles, the activities of these muscles can be controlled voluntarily. That is to say that they can be controlled at will. The skeletal muscles are the voluntary muscles, and these muscles are innervated by somatic nerves. Now, for the involuntary muscles, the activities of these muscles cannot be controlled at will. Cardiac muscles and smooth muscles belong to this category. These muscles are innervated by autonomic nerves. Now, depending upon the functions, muscles are classified into 3 types. Number 1 are the skeletal muscles. Number 2, the cardiac muscles. And number 3 is the smooth muscles. The skeletal muscles are in association with bones, forming the skeletal system. The muscles form about 40 to 50% of the body mass. The skeletal muscles are voluntary and striated. These muscles are supplied by somatic nerves. The cardiac muscle forms the musculature of the heart. These muscles are striated and involuntary. Cardiac muscles are supplied by both sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions of the autonomic nervous system. The smooth muscles are in association with viscera and are called smooth muscles or visceral muscles. These muscles are supplied by sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions of the autonomic nervous system.